chickens prefer the shorter grass, or at least the Cornish cross do. They prefer the shorter grass. So Nick is mowing the next area where we are going to move them to. Okay, so I have been wondering how much our chickens weigh. So we are going to turn off our electric, and then Afia is going to go get one of them for me. We're going to put it in a bucket, and we are going to see how much it weighs. All right, so let's try to find the chubbiest one that we got. Which one?
Right here.
All right, get the chubbiest one you see. They're like, what are you doing here? This one's pretty big.
I was gonna get that one, but he went over. This one?
Yeah. Hold their wings down. Good job. All right, let's take him over here, and we will weigh him.
Wait, does he do what the eggers?
Huh? Does he do it? A little bit. Don't do him too much.
I'm not.
All right, let's go weigh him and see how much he weighs. All right, come on, Thea. So I already weighed the bucket, and the bucket doesn't weigh anything, or at least it doesn't register as 1/10 of a pound. So that didn't work. Let's try. How can we do this?
He didn't even register on the scale.
It didn't? Okay, so what if you put him in and then I hold my hand over him so he won't jump out?
Weigh your hand then.
No, I'm not going to touch it.
Okay.
I'll just hold my hand over him. We'll try it.
Or I can.
You can, yeah. And Nick, you'll have to look and watch.
Isn't he cute?
He is kind of cute. All right, ready, honey?
No. Scale went on.
Oh, it's okay.
You might have to.
Did it go away?
It's not on there. To pick it up.
Pick him up?
Yeah. Pick him up.
Okay. Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
All right, try it again.
All right. Let's see if we can keep him in here just long enough. No, don't push on him.
It's not saying anything. It's not picking him up.
Ugh. Seriously?
You have to hold him.
You weigh nothing? Oh, okay. I can do that. All right.
Hold him and let him go.
I forgot to weigh myself.
We'll give it back to you. Do that first.
Okay.
All right, so Keturah's gonna get on a scale. The scale's not sensitive enough to weigh just a chicken, or it's the pressure point.
Oh gosh.
Just stand on it. So she's gonna weigh herself, and Fia's gonna grab the chicken once it's stable.
So 170.
Did it stable out?
0.4. It said 170.4.
Okay.
All right.
All of you two will be happy to know that.
I don't care. All right, got him?
Yeah.
Ow! Okay, now let's see what it is.
Just stand on it. Honey.
Oh. 165.8.
So he's
5.
what is it? 170.4. 170.4. So 170.5 to 165.8. So that's 5 and 5.1, 5.2.
Okay. Yay, come
5
on.
and change.
So over 5 pounds.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.